Welcome at Anne Wonders. Actually, today we have a very nice time with you because we are in the autumn forest. This is the most beautiful, the most breathtaking place I ever saw. And I would like to share it with you. But I wouldn't like to talk too much today and take your time with thoughts. I would like that you can create your own thoughts. That's why it will be sounds of nature, music, and the pure meditation. I hope you will enjoy it very much as I did. And I will be waiting for your comments in the end of the video. Thank you very much for being with us today.